Got a faulty MacBook and looking for affordable and reliable repairs? Get a little MacBook magic from the team at iTouch Repair today. The team offer expertise with all models in the Apple MacBook range. They provide solutions to a range of common problems such as broken screens, power issues, slow operation, Bluetooth malfunction and faulty keys. The iTouch Repair Laboratory hosts state-of-the-art equipment to ensure that your machine is refurbished using the most up-to-date industry protocols. Click the link in the description for more details.